From the menu on the left, ensure Analytics is selected from Dashboards. Select your building, your floor, the date range, and if required, filter by resource type. The information for your selection displays and shows live information for the amount of UMA-supported devices that are online or offline. You can see the total number of meetings that were held in your selected date range and the total number of desk bookings that were made. Occupancy information displays for room occupancy, desk, parking, locker, and other occupancy. This information is live for that building at that moment. Company Overview provides details on the number of resources in the platform. Top resource usage by name. This graph displays how the resources are being utilized, whether booked in advance or marked as in use by the in-room or desk sensor. Report insights could include understanding which rooms or desks are users' preferred choices. Improved staff productivity by highlighting lesser used resources. Daily peak usage. This graph looks at resources utilized by the hour, comparing calendar bookings and ad hoc usage. Report insights could include when to schedule room or desk maintenance, deciding on appropriate power-down schedules to reduce energy consumption. Room count by capacity displays the number of rooms in service, grouped by their capacity. Report insights could include identifying capacity requirements for meeting rooms when planning for office expansion. Weekly peak usage looks at resources used by the day of the week, comparing calendar bookings and ad hoc usage. Report insights could include picking the quietest office day to schedule large face-to-face meetings or conferences to lessen disruption for other staff members. Identifying the demand for resources by day of the week to understand the space required. Resource utilization looks at each resource and its overall use, comparing calendar bookings and ad hoc usage reported via sensor. Report insights could include highlighting areas for resource consolidation. What in-room resources are the biggest attraction for users? For example, do rooms with video conferencing equipment have more usage than those without? Capacity versus average occupancy. This table lists each resource and its maximum capacity in comparison to the room's average occupancy, where a people count device is in use. Report insights could include what capacity meeting rooms are most in demand, identifying underutilization and the booking of inappropriately sized rooms to implement policies for meeting room booking. Effectively plan for an office redesign for a more productive working environment based on known average occupancies. Total bookings or no-shows. The graph compares the number of bookings made for individual resources, counting the number of no-shows, where a booking has been made but a non-attendance is noted. Report insights could include understanding capacity and when customers are using their desks to ascertain whether permanent desks could be turned into hot desks. Deciding whether certain resources with a high number of no-shows should be released for use after a set period of time to allow for ad hoc meetings. All of the reports available on the dashboard can be exported as a CSV file by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of each graphic. Please note, for further information and assistance, you can click the support icon from the menu on the left to open the UMA knowledge base. From here you can access a list of topics and search or ask a question.